In this video, I'm going to show you how to add pop-up display on Shopify. So if you want to learn how it's done, then this video is for you, so let's get started. So what you can do in order to add that pop-up is to head over to the apps right here. And in the apps, just search in here for pop-up. So once you have searched in here for pop-up, you should be able to see pop-up apps. But you can just click on this right here to see more results on the Shopify App Store itself. So you can just wait for that to finish the loading process, and then from in there, you should be able to see the search results. And in here, you should be able to see a lot of pop-ups that you can choose from. There's a lot of things that you can do. You can see that this one is work for Shopify and all of that. But what I can recommend you is to just look for promotional pop-up. So let's search in here for that. And then once you have searched for that, you can be able to see that app right there. So you should be able to see it right here. So there are pop-up sign up wherein it will show the sale pop-ups that are actually in here. So you should be able to also see all of those things right here. This one is affiliated with affiliate marketing and all of these things right here. So for example, let's just use this title pop-ups, which is a meal pop-up. So we can actually just click on this right here. And then we can actually use it in order to build your actual email list. So in here, you can also go back. And if you want a promotional pop-up wherein you should be able to put in some discounts, then what you can do is you can head over to this promotion pop-up right here. There's actually a free app. Then from in there, just click on install right here. And then once you have clicked on install, it will ask for permission in order to integrate it on your Shopify install. So let's just wait for that to finish the loading process. And in here, you can see it is asking for access. So just click on install right here. And then from here, this will load and it will show us the actual dashboard of this specific application. So in here, you should be able to see the smart pop-up promotion, and this is actually loading. And then from in there, you should be able to see the dashboard wherein we can add those pop-ups. So as you can see, this is actually empty for now because we are just starting. So click on this create pop-up. And then you can see in here some templates like this discount order number 2, and all of these things right here. If you head over to the next tab, you should be able to see more right here. So you can also choose a blank template and just design it yourself. So for me, I'll just choose this discount order 2. So click on select. And then in here, it will ask for the start time. And for example, it will also ask for the pop-up title. So for example, let's name it holiday discount. So we can say something like that. And then you can also put in here an end time. You can also show this on mobile. And let's see who sees the promotion. It can be all customers or specific customers where the promotion pops up. It can be on all pages or on specific pages only. These are all the pages that I have. So I'll add that on my home page and on my product page. And then when the promotion pop up, it shows that customers open page, and it will show this right here, the delay before showing. We'll also put in here that time to automatically show again. And when the promotion pop-up closes, visitor must close this manually. And the design right here, you can also change the design right here. Like this, the top background colors, for example, let's change it into blue, and as you can see, it also changed that. Now for the button color, you can also change that into something of blue origins in order to match her actual theme. And then the hover color, let's also change that to blue. Now once we're done with that, you can also show the countdown. And in here, you can also put in here the shop now URL, which is the product link of your actual Shopify. You can open this in your URL window, and you can also put in here a discount code. For example, let's put in here holiday 10, and then just put in here your Shopify link, and then click on publish to store. Then once you have done that, it will open this, and this will actually create this promotional pop-up for your actual Shopify. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, so please leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people.